Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to how we can create a business account. So this is an easy process to do because the only thing you need to do to get the option for create a business accounts is download the business version of WhatsApp. The only thing you need to do is go to the Play Store, and here in your Play Store you need to search WhatsApp Business. Here the second option, WhatsApp Business. Here you pick and install, and after that the only thing you need to do is register your number, your account, and automatically you get a business account. And you need to you need to setting some options like what is about your business, your account, what is the product you want to sell, or the service you want to sell. So this is the process. Like here, can you see business tools, business profile, catalog, away message, a lot of options for your business account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.